Hey guys, we're back with more Balloon Tower Defense with Freakboy 455. This time we're gonna do other maps. We're gonna play double points. We're gonna fill it up with dart monkeys because he wanted to. So yeah, what are you gonna get?
I am gonna get a dart monkey, banana farm, and I don't know.
I'm gonna get dart monkey, this, and a farm. So let's see, ninja.
I think I'm gonna get a tech shooter. Wizard. I always get tech shooters in this map.
You like them? I don't like them in double points.
I always do this. I always put them right here.
Looks awesome.
I know, huh?
Oh, come on, get the super monkey. Oh, I don't have a super monkey.
I always just upgrade them to there. To the tech sprayer.
Wait, tell me. Well, not we could use everything, but we're mostly gonna be using dart monkeys. Like, gonna fill it up here and right here.
I'm just gonna put these tech shooters. After that, the rest of the map I'm gonna fill with dart monkeys.
This is good. The thing that I'm using.
Mm-hmm.
I'm sanding.
Mm-hmm.
I'm a little bit of mine. Now I try to get a form right here. You're not talking.
I know.
It's like hard to say. Like, what to say?
Not really. It's just that I'm too concentrated. I don't want to talk.
The thing that I'm using that's very good for starting, I don't know why, but it's just so good, huh, Brian?
Yeah. I'm gonna upgrade the range from them.
Mm. I'm gonna try to. Dude, I could barely see my ninja.
There's gonna be a camel balloon right now. So I'm gonna start putting some dart monkeys.
Camel balloon?
Yeah, one camel balloon is about to come out.
I already destroyed mine, I think. When is it gonna come out?
I'm gonna get a Banana Republic after
You have a lot of money, look at my...
Of course I do, it's because I'm handsome. Hi, Jeremy. You don't think I'm handsome?
You're weird.
You're weird.
You're weird.
You're like the weirdest kid I've ever seen. Like, see, I like doing this, but as to that, I could just go like that. After that, it looks more awesome. Ah, boom, boom,
Is
boom,
that you?
boom. Look, see, Jeremy told you the camel balloons are gonna come out.
I already destroyed mine.
Because you have that. And plus, you're not even using dart monkeys.
I'm gonna use them right now.
Cheater.
I'm using them. I ran out of money?
I'm just gonna fill up the whole map with dart monkeys.
Dart monkeys? I'm not. Well, I'm gonna use. Yeah, pretty much me too. Wait, how is it gonna be? Oh yeah, because I'm a ninja. I can pick this already. Pick one of these. That's so good.
I guess. After that, in every corner right
We're trying to put them so close to each other to fit up any space, and I can't believe the thing needs that much.
We're gonna put this one on close.
Brian, look, it looks like the thing is on the where the balloons come out. And that one.
Oh,
What's it called again?
I don't know.
Oh, Dart Monkey, right there.
We're gonna put all the juggernauts on close.
You're sending?
No, you're sending.
Wait, if I send it you, sends to me?
No.
I thought it did, because when I started sending it, like, some went through. Let me see, what was I gonna do again? Oh, yeah. I must sell these. I don't know why. Because if you get this side, it'll give you eagle, and if you wait for a lot, it'll give you 20,000. Right here it says collect something. Happy kitten get 20,000 money.
20,000 money.
The other one's better, but I like these. When is a blimp gonna come out?
I don't know.
I keep on placing it on. There.
I'm gonna put my dart monkeys all the way over here. Some over here. I
I'm
just
getting
filled up the whole
ready
map.
for blimps right now. I'm gonna try to get ready for blimps.
You only have one dart monkey, Jeremy. You're supposed to do only dart monkeys.
No, I have two.
Oh wow, you have two, Jeremy. It's wrong. 27.
No, I have three.
I have only dart monkeys and tack shooters.
That's what I said. I'm gonna get ready for what's it called? The blimps.
There we go. Super Monkey Fan Club just saved my dumb ass.
Yes. Oh, you see, it's giving me equal. Look, I have 3,355, and look, 20,000 right there, and right here says
Jeremy, you're disconnected.
I'm back. My video took off.
It did?
Should I post it?
No. I'm still going. Okay. So we are
I
gonna.
wish we could do it together.
So I'll just post my video on yours.
Okay.
Ooh, man. That blimp is getting so close. Hi, Jeremy.
Ooh.
I think I'll post the Minecraft video. Maybe later.
Look at my eco. A lot.
That's why I wanted you to download Minecraft again. Super Monkey Fan Club saves your dumbass, Jeremy. Like, it's super good. Mm-hmm. Dart monkeys are my favorite ones. I don't know why.
Oh my god, this is so cool.
Dart monkeys are the best tower.
Dart monkeys aren't the best towers.
I know.
Put down in the comments, which one do you think, what card is better? Super Monkey? I think it's Super Monkey. What, Brian? Or Balloon Surfer?
Oh, what is the best tower?
Oh yeah, tower.
Not card, Jeremy. This is not card battle. Jeremy's a neck. Jeremy, why are you such a neck for? Oh crap! Super Monkey Fan Club. Oh crap! I think I'm gonna die.
I'm gonna die.
I didn't die. Look, see, Jeremy, Dark Monkeys are better.
No, I'm dead.
And I survived.
See, look at that.
I survived around 35. You get it? Well, guys, it's gonna be the end of the video. And now, see you. Peace. Bye-bye. And remember, stay freaky. And you go say bye, Jeremy.
Bye.